everyone. Today we're in District 18, one of the newest TOP condominium in the east, in the heartlands of Tampines.
您知道这是一个拥有超过196万平方英尺的超级大型公寓项目吗？
This is a very exclusive 128 facilities in this mega development, and the maintenance fee is so low, only from $150 onwards, making it one of the highly demanded projects here in the east.
重点来了，这边也是著名的学区房。
And not to forget to anticipate the mega transformation in the east, Changi Waterfront City and Changi Terminal 5.
And also, Changi Waterfront District will offer exciting new recreation and tourism possibility and seamless intermodal fly ferry linkages from Terminal 5 end. Stay tuned to the end of the video to find out more. And packed with current Changi Business Park, SUTD, the Waterfront Commercial District, all make up into a mega Changi city. Our Singapore Prime Minister Lee Hsien Loong announced that T5 will increase its capacity for about 150 million passengers per year, and its scales will be bigger than all four present Terminal 1, 2, 3, 4 put together, estimated to be completed by the year 2030. And for now, it's still so early to buy into this project for great capital growth.
Once again, I'm Eunice,
I'm Cindy,
and we're from Property 65, presenting to you
Treasure at Tampines.
Located only 8 minutes away walk to Simei MRT station, Treasure at Tampines also have a free shuttle bus services to Simei MRT, Tampines MRT and Changi Airport, the Jewel Mall. Treasure at Tampines is a brand new project that recently TOP a few months back, in late August 2023. This project has 2,203 units, and this prestigious developer, Simlian Group Limited, has been creating homes for families in Singapore for over 40 years, earning an astounding track record in construction. Residents can still enjoy an array of 128 facilities, which have been categorized by 5 main sections, namely the general facilities, pool and water play and fitness, rest chill garden, and the Gather Park and Celebrate section during a leisure time here.
And without further ado, let's head up to the unit.
This unit is sized at 463 square feet, similar to a studio. It comes with a choice to design back an actual master bedroom and a bathroom, a fully fitted and open concept kitchen and a balcony.
当我们走入这个单位，豪华精致的厨房设施一定会让你眼前一亮。多个橱柜设施也满足了无论单身还是小家庭的生活所需。超宽的走廊和餐厅面积也是您在其他一房公寓中找不到的。
The living room provides an ideal distance for a one-bedder, giving you an optimal viewing experience between the sofa and the TV.
This functional layout is perfect for bachelors to stay in or serves as an attractive option to rent it out. The best thing is, this layout is of similar concept to a 5-star hotel. Do you know about the standard room, the deluxe room? This is the premier room. And the best thing is, the developer gives us 1-year warranty period of all the electrical appliances, making it a very good deal. Okay, let's explore the balcony area right now. This balcony, you can definitely do zip track curtains so that you can fully enclose the balcony space, and you can restrain from wind, from sun, and you can put in your aircons from the living area all the way to your balcony, maximizing the space of this home. The best thing is, over here, we can get a very magnificent pool view because we are on a level 3, level 3rd floor. Pool view is actually the best view. As you get higher, you see your neighbors directly. So mid-floor pool view, perfect unit. And one of the magnificent point is this garden over there. That is the butterfly garden. So towards the butterfly garden is facing the northeast, no direct west sun. And across the butterfly garden, you'll reach to the overhead expressway, which you will reach to Simei MRT in just 7 minutes.
Treasure at Tampines is also accessible to an array of supermarkets and hawker centres. Just across the road, you get to find Tampines Round Market and Food Centre. Amazing hawker food to enjoy. The north side of the project directs you to Tampines Changkat CC. It is also close proximity to Tampines Mall, Century Square, Tampines 1 and our Tampines Hub, and many more. As for families with children, you get to enjoy a total of 12 primary schools within 2 km radius.
这边是主卧的部分，发展商做了开放式大空间设计。你也可以考虑在这边隔一道墙和门出来，把主卧和客厅部分分开来。 有些人也会考虑保留原本的设计，在一天紧张的工作后，沉浸于享受这个酒店式的单位。
The bathroom is of a reasonable size. There's a lot of flexibility in this layout as it is accessible from the bedroom, making it an ensuite convenience for bachelors. Did you know that Treasure at Tampines has so much more potential? There's only 4 condominiums in the east that is walking distance to an MRT station, and Treasure at Tampines is one of them. It is the newest ready-to-move-in project right here. Alright, I believe you are really keen to know the payment plan for this beautiful unit. Assuming purchasing at 800,000, you will need a 5% cash, 32,000, 20% CPF and/or cash, down payment of 160,000, 75% bank loan of 600,000, which the monthly installment will only be $2,530 for 30 years tenure and a current bank interest rate of 3%. The rental can easily cover the installment and maintenance fee even at a good market or an average market. A good market will be around $3,200, while an average market will be at $2,800 per month. Do note that you can also use your combined monthly CPF OA for the deduction of the monthly installments.
Alright, we come to the end of the home tour, and if you'd like to view this undervalued gem, call us.
这是一个全新的项目，希望你是住在这边的第一位主人。
Please remember to click like, share and subscribe and follow us on all social media platforms, link in the description box below. Once again, I'm Eunice.
I'm Cindy.
And we're from
Property 65. We uplift your home value. We sell higher. 我们厉害！
Call us to explore your choices today. Bye.
Bye.